Feeling grief and sadness is part of life. Rather than avoiding these feelings or trying to control everything that feels chaotic or out of control, this 3-hour pop-up workshop will help you cross over the gap from grief and trying to control everything to acceptance and peace. Learning to take control starts today. Often when we're feeling grief or loss, there's a tendency to withdraw, to hide your feelings. It's a natural reaction, and it's why we've limited this pop-up workshop to only 3 hours of together time. When you meet up online with your workshop leader and other teens your age, it can really help you gain some new perspective. Because when you're stuck in the same environment or feel isolated, you often end up relying on a single perspective of an issue. A group can help you see things in a way maybe you haven't thought about before. It can reveal some new ways to resolve problems and can even help you get unstuck on negative thoughts that might be running in your head. The reason this works is because in a small group, it's easier to feel less alone. Figuring out grief and loss together can actually help each person feel more understood, supported, and even motivated. If you've ever felt better after spending time with a good friend, you know that talking about what's going on with someone who's experiencing the same kinds of issues really helps. One big advantage about joining a one-time pop-up workshop, you see progress in real time. When going through difficult times, meeting as a group and getting right to the heart of what's going on builds tighter connections faster. Your network of support instantly grows and advances you on your healing journey. It's much harder to get that forward momentum individually or in isolation. The Gap Pop-Up Workshop is a safe, free space without judgment. You just have to show up, do the activities, talk about what you think and feel, and give others in the group their own safe space to speak their mind. Feeling accepted is always a relief, but after a big loss, we all need acceptance more than ever. If you're ready to learn how to take control of your feelings and to find out how to use art to transform your darkness into light, you're ready for the Gap Workshop.